I'm going to show you how to give a developer access in HubSpot. So you go to settings, and then after settings, you go to user and teams. So from here, you're going to, so first of all, let's try to edit a permission. Click edit. And then as you can see, we're going to have like choose how to set. We have the manual assign permissions and the start with template. You must always click start with template. Okay, so start with template, and then after that, click choose permission. You go down. So for the developer, we have, so we have marketing and then setting access. So we're going to start with marketing. We just make sure that the form, they are covered. So you switch on the form because you're going to create the form files to access the files. And then here you switch on also marketing access. So marketing email, so that they can create email and publish. Give access there. CTA, same thing. You switch on, give access there. Then content staging, you switch on. And after that, we have the blog. The same thing, view, edit, publish. Same thing with landing page, view, edit, publish. Same thing, websites page, view, edit, publish. And then also website pages, website database, the same thing. And then URL redirect, view, and publish. And then after that, we have design tools. The same thing with different design tools also. You're going to have to click there so that you must be able to go and create templates. So the last one is setting access. You click there. Okay, setting access. So we have, so that's going to just depend, but most of the stuff. So it's like website database table settings. You click there, and then website settings there. Also that one. And then domain settings. Switch on there, and then user table access there. Okay, so this is the way that you the stuff that you're gonna have to focus on when you want to give developer access or to edit the access. You click save. Okay, so and then so if you want to create just a new one, you click create, and then for instance you can say test account at Gmail. Let's say G, or for instance gtest gmail test. .com. This one, yes. Click there. The same thing, start with templates. So it's better for you to always start with templates. And then choose, you're gonna choose if standard use and stuff like that for the developer. Click the CMS developer, you choose there. And then it's gonna have already some presettings. Click next. You can click here, don't send an email invite when this user is added to HubSpot. They still get access to this account once they log in. Yeah, so here we have CRM objects, we have CRM tools. So we're gonna do marketing. So you can see marketing there, setting access. So by default already, these things comes already with some setup. So you can click directly send, so that you can send the developer the access, and after that you can edit later on, because of HubSpot already has the predefined for the CMS developer permissions. Or if you want, you can just create it from scratch. So from scratch is gonna be so we're gonna have like the test. Let's go next again from scratch. Start with a template. Let's say for instance start from scratch. So to come share yourself, you're gonna start to, so the way that it works is like every time once you set it up like that, you're gonna send it, you're gonna it's gonna send the information to the person that's gonna access the portal. And then once they have access, then you can edit it later on, the way that they show how to edit by coming here. So once they send a notification to the user, you're gonna just come click edit, and then come down to start now to set up some of the additional permission, because Upsell has changed stuff. So it's gonna always be marketing and setting access. Just thank you. Bye bye.